Finally, let's build a simple dashboard. This gives us a high-level overview of payroll. At the heading, we have Payroll Dashboard 2026-2027 and the month and year. I've created a drop-down for this information. In the section below, we have the employee deductions from the monthly payroll sheet and total employer cost. Here we pull our data straight from the monthly payroll sheet with easy-to-use formulas. So, for example, if we take the total employee pension tab, we just collect the total from the payroll sheet at the bottom of the employee pension column. These cards summarize the entire payroll process, from gross pay all the way to employer cost. Below this, you can also add charts to visualize salary and deductions. This is especially useful for business owners who want to understand where their money is going. So for this template, I've used the pie chart for employee deductions and a bar chart for the employer cost. All the info you will need for these charts has been transferred to this dashboard sheet at the top here, so it will make things easier for you and your business. Remember, this template is fully editable. If you want to use this exact template, you can download it using the link below. If you found this helpful, please consider commenting below and don't forget to like and subscribe.